Hi, everyone. If you are looking for a niche that no one has started yet, I mean, literally no one, then this video is for you. If someone asked me what the best passive income methods in 2024 are, my answers would be YouTube automation and the TikTok creativity program. The reason is that with the recent rapid development of AI, creating videos and finding content ideas has become really easy. That's why these two are the best passive income methods in 2024. You can use the same videos for both TikTok and YouTube. It doesn't matter. Today, I will introduce you to a new niche. With this niche, you will be able to make at least $2,000 a month from both TikTok and YouTube. I'm going to call this niche the Futuristic Sci-Fi Stories Niche. First, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche. That should give you a better understanding.
Imagine it's the year 2080. The skies darken as massive ships loom over our cities. Panic sets in. What should you do? First, stay calm. Don't let fear paralyze you. Gather your family and move to a safe space. Remember, communication is key. Use every device you have to share information and listen to emergency broadcasts. Next, prepare your defenses. Find anything that can be weaponized. Your kitchen tools can be more than just utensils. Lastly, work together as communities. This is not just an attack on individuals, but on humanity. We must unite, sharing resources and strategies. If we don't act together, we could lose everything. Are you ready to defend your home?
So, in this niche, we are going to make futuristic sci-fi stories. Now let's start the video creation process. I'm going to show you two methods to make videos for this niche. The first one is the manual method, and the second one is using automation AI. Before going into details, please check out our YouTube channel. This is our channel specializing in sharing and instructing about AI tools to create videos. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when we have new videos. Okay, now let's start with the manual method. We need to create a script first. As usual, I'm going to use ChatGPT for this process. Let's go to ChatGPT and create the script. I have created a prompt for this process, and I will leave this prompt as a comment on this video. You can use the same prompt, just change the topic of your video when you are using it. Let's generate it. This story is really good. If you want, you can read this story and convert it to your own words. It's up to you. I'm going to go with the original story. Now, we need to generate voiceovers for this. As usual, we can use ElevenLabs for it. ElevenLabs is one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in ElevenLabs, and you can even clone your voice with this. So let's go to ElevenLabs and create the voiceovers. You can select a suitable voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated part by part. So just like this, create the voiceovers for the whole script. Now we need to generate images for this script. I will ask GPT Chat to create images for me corresponding to the script created above. I'm going to use Ideogram to create some images. It is a pretty good image generator. I will leave the link in the video description. Let's go to Ideogram. Now we will copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Ideogram to create the images. This process will take several minutes, so make sure those images match the script. After you generate all the images, you can use a video editor like CapCut or Filmora or DaVinci Resolve to edit the video. I know that this process will consume a lot of your time, creating scripts, making voiceovers, generating images, and finally editing all of them. Let me show you an easier method to automate this entire process. For this, I'm going to use a new AI tool called Auto Shorts. Let me tell you why this AI tool is really good for this niche. This AI will do everything starting from script writing, image generation, and editing, to uploading your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Basically, you don't have to worry about anything. The crazy thing is that all videos generated by this AI tool are unique and new. So you don't have to worry about copyright issues when it comes to monetization. This is a huge concern. You cannot use copyrighted or reused content. Auto Shorts AI will generate unique and new videos every time you create a video with it. You can manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. If you want, you can get this AI from the link in the description. Now, Let's see how this AI works. At first, you need to register, and currently they have suspended the free plan. To experience this AI tool, you have to choose the paid plans, but trust me, this small investment of yours will not be wasted. AutoShort will bring you many surprises. Okay, now we will learn about the price of this tool. They offer 3 plans. The starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week for just $19. The daily plan, which is $39 and allows you to upload 1 video per day. And finally, the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. Unlike other tools, you don't have to pay for the whole year. You can just try it for a month and see the results. Okay, let's create a video for our niche with this AI. After you sign up, go to Create Your Series, and you'll be directed to this page. Here, you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to the AI. When your video is completed, the AI will upload it to your connected YouTube channel. If you don't want to do that, you can simply select the email option. They will email the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I prefer to upload the video myself. Okay, with this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see, they have included all the trending niches: random AI stories, what if scary stories, bedtime stories, urban legends, motivation, fun fact, Eli 5, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche, and they will create a video for it. For this niche, we need to go with the custom niche option. You can use the same prompt that we used before. The next step is to select a good AI voice for our video. Now, you need to check these voices and select a matching voice for this video. I think this voice would be suitable, so I will select it. Remember to choose a good voice because voiceovers play a huge part when it comes to going viral on YouTube or TikTok. Next, we will go to the art style section. There are many types for you to choose depending on the genre of your video. Next comes the video ratio. Here I am making a short video, so I will choose the ratio 9:16. Next, you can select a preferred language. As you can see, they offer around 20 languages. If you're planning to target an audience from a specific country, you can use this option to change the language of the video. If you want to target an international audience, use English. Now we need to select the duration of this video. If you're planning to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I would recommend selecting a duration of 30 to 60 seconds. That's all, guys. Once you enter all this information, you can create your video. After this process is completed, click the Create a Series button, and it will start generating the video series. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to generate your video. While your video is generating, you can see all the information here, the title of your video and the full script. Now, let's see the final result of this AI. As you can see, they have even created a thumbnail for this video. Let's play it.
December 9th, 2080 will be a day we never forget, a day we underestimated completely. As the sun rose, no one expected the skies to darken with massive alien ships. Panic erupted as the world realized we weren't ready. Governments had ignored countless warnings, believing they were mere conspiracies. People took to the streets, questioning their leaders. Why didn't we prepare? We should have invested in defenses, studied the stars, and unified against the unknown. Instead, we sat in our comfort zones, dismissing the possibility of an attack. As the aliens advanced, communication systems failed, and chaos ensued. It was time to act, but it was too late. Humanity had to respond swiftly or face extinction.
This is perfect. It's really hard to create images that match a video script, but this AI tool has nailed it. All the images I saw in that video perfectly match the script, and the captions have been generated with a cool style and smooth sliding animations. It's perfect as well. So if you don't have the time or skills to make these videos, this AI tool is the best option. Consider it an investment. I hope you guys have learned some valuable information from this video. If you'd like to see new niche ideas and explore new AI tools, stick with my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video. I wish you the best of luck. Bye-bye.